Hi friends, welcome to ShanSadi Creations. Today I am going to make beautiful Quilling flower. So we need color papers. Use 4 shades. I am using blue shades with white. Scissor, tweezer, quilling tool. You can use normal tool. Liquid glue, quilling ruler, any kind of bead. We can make same size glue squares using this quilling ruler. The paper strip length is 30 cm. Now make a loose coil. And make a teardrop shape. Make it like this. We need 6 teardrop shapes from each color shades for one flower. This is the petal we are going to make. Now start attach from dark shade to light shade. Then wrap the petal using white color string. Petals are ready. Attach all petals using liquid glue. To center, I am using this bead. You can use tight coil also. Press it like this for 3D look. Beautiful Quilling flower is ready.